some others may not like it. Today our discussion is regarding the sixth schedule. Sixth schedule is a constitution. It is written, it is a mini constitution. Constitution is a legal framework for constructing a country. It is a legal framework for constructing a country. It is not reservation law. It is for making, building a country. Since sixth schedule is a mini constitution, then this area, now you call it North Kathar Hills also, and then others call the Mahasau also. This area become a mini nation. For whom? According to paragraph 20 of the sixth schedule. Paragraph 20 of the sixth schedule. This area is tribal area. Actually, it should be area of the tribes people. It should be written. It should have been written. Area of the tribes people. It does not mention that it is a Kuki area. It does not mention that it is the Masa area. It does not mention that it is a Karbi area. It does not mention that it is Khasi, Penar, Jaintia area. It does not mention that it is a Jeme Naga area. It does not mention that it is Thadou area. It does not mention that it is Mar area, and so on. But it is the area of the tribes people. Tribes people also, who are the tribes people? There are many tribes people. There are many tribes people. Who are they? Brahmin also tribes. It is written in the anthropological book. Brahmin are also tribes. And Bharat is a tribe. Bharat was a tribe, so to say. Bharat was a tribe. And the first Bharat was the chieftain of the tribe. Bharat was the brother of Ram. They belong to Bharat tribe. Because they are very intelligent, because they have many people, they have large population, because they could fight battle, so the whole India is named after the name of Bharat tribe. Now the whole India is Bharat. If the Jemanagas were crore of people covering half of India, maybe the whole India may have been called Jeme land, Jeme, or it may be Dimasa, or it may be Karbi, or it may be Naga, or it may be Khasi. But because we are very few in population, so we could not become like that. Only Bharat people, Bharat tribe, they could name the name of the country as Bharat, because they have many big population and they knew how to administer, they knew how to conquer, and they are intelligent enough. Therefore, sixth schedule is for the tribes of, originally for the tribes of, hill tribes of Assam, in those days Assam, including, in those days Assam means including Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, all these things, Arunachal Pradesh, all combined together Assam in those days. For that, for those hill tribes, it was meant to be made, this sixth schedule was made. And it was made by, written by Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, Reverend James Jor Manik Nichols Roy. Nichols is the title of his wife, and Roy used to be the title of Khasi people also. There are so many Roys, but Bengali people also have got Roy, Nepali also have got Roy, many people have got Roy, even UP Wala also have got Roy. However, Roy is one of the titles of the Khasi people. When the Khasi people sang here their traditional songs, I remember we used to sing Khasi songs, traditional songs in Shillong. Tosyak penang-penang, tosyak penang-penang, kun halap ni jong mei, shuwa papin pau, papin long beriu, shuwa papin pau berthai, ban penigi syakilum kun Khasi. That one we used to sing. That is traditional song. It used to be sung at Viking dance. Acha, so sixth schedule is meant for the Mongolian tribes people of Northeast India actually. They did not say Mongolian, but it happened to be all of them were Mongolian people. We had our own king, we had our own rules, we had our own law, we had our own territory, we had our own kingdom. So it was decided that a separate constitution should be made for us. So a separate constitution was made for us. So sixth schedule is a separate constitution, not within India, not within Indian constitution. It is, this is Indian constitution and this is sixth schedule. This is another constitution. Since it is a separate constitution, since it is a legal framework for constructing a small country, everything will have to be made by us. The meaning is that everything will have to be made by us. Under paragraph 1, autonomous district has been created. Paragraph 1. Paragraph 1, subparagraph 1. Under paragraph 1, subparagraph 2, autonomous council has been constituted. Now, under paragraph 1, a small country has been made. Under paragraph 1, subparagraph 2, an autonomous council, a kind of government to govern the autonomous district was made. To govern the autonomous district or a small mini nation, to govern a mini nation.